lava and chicken? I did, and you're about to find out. Uh-oh. You hear that? That's the sound of sizzling. Mm-hmm. Smell that smell. La 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 lava, chicken. Steve's lava chicken, yeah, tasty as hell. Ooh, mama, now you're ringing the bell. Crispy and juicy, now you're having a snack. Ooh, super spicy, it's a lava attack. I have a small business too. The one thing I try to do is not have my jingles suck butt. Friggin' loser. Pass the bird, jerky. I'm not a little wimp like Big Steve here. I crave heat, and I crave pain. Darren, wait! Hear my words. That chicken was just cooked in hot lava. Let it cool down, man.